Hi! In this video, we're going to continue our exercises. And now we're going to solve exercise number 3. Let's read the exercise. Now, if you want to make a loudspeaker make a noise, what type of current should you pass through it? Should we use a steady current, or a changing current, or any type of current? First, we have to understand how a loudspeaker works. Now, the loudspeaker turns electricity into sound. The speakers contain an electromagnet. You've heard about that before. It's a metal coil that creates a magnetic field when an electric current flows through it. As electricity passes through the coil of the electromagnet, the direction of its magnetic field is rapidly changing. So, as the coil moves, it moves the cone back and forth, pumping sound waves into the air. So, if we use steady current that does not change its intensity with time, you can see here that you either get a cone that is moving either forth or back. So, in order to have a loudspeaker that makes a noise, what type of current you think you should pass through it? Of course, a changing current, as you see here, and as we've mentioned before, a changing current means a changing magnetic field, and this causes the cone to move and creates pressure variation in the air and forms sound waves.